Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Another powerful video. Happy Thursday. Hope y'all doing safe out here. But this video gonna be based on, guys, two income streams that you can make. Right? My nephew came over today, right? And he's into the investment. So I said, I want to make you a page, nephew. And this the second part of the income streams, guys. I make pages for people, guys. And I made this page for my nephew right here, so he stands out more than others. Uh, he making money every day, passive income from his phone, guys. So I will leave a link below this video, guys, to join that. It's free. And also, guys, I'm gonna leave a link how I made that page. It's with my marketing system, guys, and it's also free for 14 days. So take advantage how to make pages, guys. Super simple, guys. All you gotta do, click on page builder, click on create pages, click your whatever you want to do, how you want to do it. Just say you want to edit this right here, just click on edit mode, right? You can edit it the way you want it. Just erase all this. How to make money. Hypothetically, you want to go to the edit component button right here. You want to add a photo. Just all you gotta do is, just paste it right there, guys. You want to add a video. All you gotta do is paste it right there, guys. So everything is super simple, guys, with my marketing system. And it's also free for 14 days. So I have both links right below, guys. If you want to learn how to invest pages for people, and also, guys, how to make cool pages, because I made this page for my nephew right here, guys, from my marketing system right here. So if you want both system, guys, I'll leave both links below. One will say investment, and the other one will say marketing. Join both for free today, and you have access to all these tools to make money for 2020. All right, guys, once again, peace and love. Holla.